like another unsolved mystery. It's murder, it's murder, yeah, it's murder. Somebody tell them it's murder. Murder was the case. I didn't blame you. You can't blame me for this. Could you please loosen up the handcuffs on my wrist? You can call me what you wanna, man, but I ain't a snitch. No cooperation is exactly what you will get. Till I talk to my lawyer, you get no reply. You obviously been watching too much CSI. I'm not a crash dummy, so don't even try to talk your dirty trash to me. No BFI. You are not guilty of anything, then why did you run? Is you the police? Plus I saw you cocking you. And the chamber wasn't empty, it was obviously warm. If you think I'm believing that, I mean you're obviously dumb, huh? I know that you heard the sirens, you dived into the vehicle you was driving and riding. About to kidnap guy, he was on one of your songs. I could have sworn that he said he had a pocket full of. Am I wrong? Hell yeah, I don't know who that is. I don't know no pimp shit. All I know is I'm rich and I'm a born like James, but I be out here quick, man. You ain't getting out of here. You was thinking you slick. In the car, you confiscated the diary that you had. Like another unsolved mystery. It's murder. Somebody murder. It's murder. Somebody murder. It's murder. Somebody murder. Somebody tell them it's murder. Murder was the case.
Everybody. Oh